Do you want to be part of the progressive travel and tourism industry? Are you passionate about the culinary arts and great customer service? Then STI's Hospitality and Tourism Management is the program for you. To become a top-notch employee in the fields of hospitality and tourism anywhere in the world, STI's HRM and travel and tourism programs will prepare you to become a globally competitive industry practitioner with relevant skills and knowledge in service, operations, and management in the hospitality and tourism industry. Graduates of the programs will gain understanding and expertise in the different sectors of the industry. The field of specialization that you choose may include competencies in culinary, food and beverage, front office, hotel operation, travel agency operations, itinerary planning, tour guiding, tour operation, and events management. You can become a pastry cook, hot kitchen cook, cold kitchen cook, commissary operators, tour guide, tour coordinator, tour escort, travel advisor, or consultant. Be a part of the fastest growing and the most dynamic industry in the country today. Be a hospitality and tourism management professional only with STI.